Okay, we almost forgot this one. This is an important optimization for any sites, but we'll add this into the CloudWays guide as well. It's a little different on CloudWays. We want to set up a server-based cron job instead of using the WordPress inbuilt cron. So cron is a funny word. Basically, it's just a scheduled job. So in WordPress, these cron jobs or scheduled jobs do a whole bunch of background tasks like checking the cache, clearing the page cache, sending emails, checking orders, and WooCommerce, hundreds of different things the scheduler can be used for. So there's two ways the scheduler can run. There is an inbuilt WordPress scheduler that basically runs every time someone hits the website, loads a page on the website, or you can set it to run on the server at 15 or 30-minute intervals. So as you can imagine, if you have a site with a lot of traffic, so you're getting hundreds of visitors a minute or even a handful of visitors per minute, that cron job is running every 20 seconds, every 5 seconds, basically way too often, and you're going to chew a ton of server resources as a result. So we want to ideally turn off the WordPress cron and use the server-based cron instead, so we have a lot more control, and then we're just running that in the background. And in terms of its effect, it's not going to have any impact on operations or how the scheduled tasks run. It will just reduce the load substantially. So you can control the cron jobs here in the application. So I'm in the application in our test site as well. Or again, I'm under here, cron management, and you do everything in here. I will link you up to this CloudWays guide. It has this really long post on cron jobs. I don't know why they've got all this nonsense at the top. Sorry. Basically, you just want to go to this section, how to set up a real cron job, and it will walk you through the process of disabling the WordPress cron. So you disable it in the WP config file, and then you just add a cron job into the server to run it. So basically, you just have this task or scheduled job that just runs this every X number of minutes. This one, it's set up to run every 5 minutes, I think it is. That's fine. You just basically don't want it running on every single page load. So essentially, you just copy that piece of code in there and then put it in here under the advanced section. Fairly straightforward, still a bit technical, but you should be able to figure it out. But I'll leave you with that, and I'll link you up to that guide so you have a step-by-step walkthrough. And yeah, so particularly where WooCommerce site, a membership site, this one's really important for reducing the overall load on the hosting.